If you are facing problem to hide the cash on delivery option on low order purchases, then this video will help you a lot. I will share a step-by-step process how you can hide the cash on delivery option on low purchases. So let's begin. To do this, I installed the advanced cash on delivery app from the Shopify app store. You can also download it. After installing the app, go here, advanced payment rules. Then create a payment rule. Give a title like I am giving hide COD on low value purchases. Then create a condition. I am selecting the condition total amount, setting it 500. Then select the operator less than or equal. Now select the action hide payment method. Then give the payment method name. After that, active the status and save this. Now if the amount is equal or less than 500 rupees, then the cash on delivery option will be unavailable. So let's check it on the online store. So if I select a product below 500 rupees, you can see the cash on delivery option is unavailable. But if I choose a product above 500 rupees, you can see the cash on delivery option is available. So in this way, you can do it very easily. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.